Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down right away to access battery section. Following that, scroll down again and tap on More Settings. Lastly, click on this switcher next to High Performance Mode and confirm your choice by choosing OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is now on. If you wish to turn it off, click on the same No Blue switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!